23 minutes. That's how long it takes for the brain to refocus after you've been distracted. In his book Deep Work, Cal Newport talks about a concept called attention residue. That's the lingering effect of thoughts and previous tasks that can interfere with our ability to focus on the current task. Every new distraction can add to this lack of mental efficiency. Think of your mind like a computer. You have a limited amount of RAM, and the more tasks you run, the slower your computer will be able to finish each task. That's how your mind works. Here's some ways to avoid distractions. Focusing on a single task has been proven to improve productivity across the board. An easy way to ensure you're focused on one task at a time is to time block, so each task has a particular time for its completion. You can do this in any calendar app. It's a quick and easy way to ensure each task gets the attention it deserves. For example, I like to schedule my shooting into blocks on a single day. That way, my mind is primed for that particular set of skills. Scheduling work sessions is something built into the Opal app. In sessions, you can set your intention with a time limit and app block. This way, you can remain on task even if you get distracted. The app will always nudge you back in the right direction. For example, I have a recurring session that starts at 5 a.m. and ends at 11. This is so that I can kickstart each day hyper-focused with only the day's goals in mind. After lunch, I allow myself a little bit more freedom with more apps and websites that I can access. Your work environment is super important to how you focus. Some people feel more productive in a busy office, whilst others prefer a quiet corner or a closed-off space. You also don't have to limit your workspace to a physical environment. On Opal, you can design your digital environment by setting your app score for certain tools. Here's how it works. Some tools, like LinkedIn, can be productive in your particular line of work, whilst others, like YouTube, can be a distraction. With AppScore, you get to design your digital environment based on your unique needs from within the Opal app. Just tell Opal which apps are useful for work and which ones are not, and you're good to go. Remember, the key to focus work is to avoid being distracted in the first place. 23 minutes is a high cost to pay for a little bit of scrolling. If you're interested in blocking distractions from your work life, check out the link in the comments below.